Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Pakistan is in troubled waters, full stop. It has abundant water resources compared to its neighbors, full stop. Yet it has become one of the most water insecure countries in the region, full stop. The country, however, still has no plans to manage its water insecurity that is growing with population, urbanization, and climate change, full stop. Water scarcity need not entail water insecurity, full stop. An important key to enhance water security lies in ensuring equitable benefit sharing among water stakeholders, full stop. This can help Pakistan, number one, pursue sustainable agriculture with less water, number two, improve interprovincial water distribution, and number three, strengthen the Indus Waters Treaty that is otherwise based on the division of rivers instead of sharing rivers, waters, and ecosystems, full stop. New paragraph. Agriculture. If you want to solve Pakistan's water problems, focus on agriculture, full stop. Agriculture consumes almost 95% of Pakistan's total water, while its 224 million people, including 73 million urban residents and every commercial and industrial water user, all put together barely consume 5% of the total available water, full stop. This consumption level is within the annual freshwater variability range, if not the margin of error of river flows or the total holding capacity of Tarbela Dam, full stop. New paragraph. Pakistan's agriculture is very thirsty, full stop. No amount of direct and indirect subsidies have helped quench this thirst. It does not wish to pay any taxes on water use or agricultural income, full stop, while 85 million 44% of the people await access to clean drinking water. Planners in Islamabad keep envisioning expensive ways of subsidizing irrigation water to mostly rich farmers at nominal costs, full stop. As pointed out in a recent World Bank report, only 4 crops, rice, wheat, sugarcane, and cotton, consume 80% water but contribute a pittance to GDP, 5%, full stop. This poor management costs about 4% of GDP or around $12 billion a year, full stop. It is a damning story of elite capture, full stop. New paragraph. In return, the agriculture sector offers one of the poorest crop per drop ratios, full stop. Comparison shows that the new Istanbul airport that has cost less than the Amir Basha Dam for example, will provide 225,000 skilled jobs serving 40 million passengers daily on 1250 domestic and international flights. Full stop. The return on investment on agricultural infrastructure is seldom presented in cost benefit terms. Full stop.